In this quick and easy tutorial, we will show you the step-by-step process to get Instagram up and running on your Windows computer. Whether you are a social media enthusiast, a content creator, or just want to stay connected, this guide will help you access Instagram from the comfort of your PC. Watch and follow along as we cover the download and installation process, plus some tips and tricks for using Instagram on your desktop. To download and install Instagram on your Windows PC or laptop, follow these steps. Step 1. Open your preferred web browser. Step 2. Go to the Instagram website www.instagram.com. Step 3. If you already have an Instagram account, log in using your credentials. If not, you can sign up for a new account. Step 4. Once you are logged in, you can use Instagram directly from your web browser. Please note that Instagram does not have a dedicated desktop application for Windows, so you will need to access it through your web browser.